Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing something a tiny little bit different. Very excited for this. If you can't see what I'm going to be doing, I'm doing an unboxing of a p.louiese box. So I ordered two. This one, I don't quite know what this one is. I'm not sure if this is the mystery box or if it's the one where you're the boss. I'm hoping that this one isn't that then, if that's it. I think the other one says like boss babe or whatever, boss on it. I guess it doesn't say boss babe because p.louiese is very gender neutral. But this is the first time I've actually owned anything from p.louiese. I have seen a few unboxings of their like mystery boxes and their like regular subscription box, and I'm not gonna lie, this wasn't cheap for the two of them together, so I actually had them on the same order. For the two of them together with shipping and handling, which is from FedEx, which isn't bad, was 139 Canadian, so that's pretty good. Obviously, Canadian is a little bit more than American, so there is that, but the value of this box is supposed to be quite high. Just one of them should be really high. I have seen a few really amazing boxes, so I'm hoping that there isn't a crap ton of lip products in here, and I'm hoping that there is one of their like eyeshadow bases. I've been dying to try one of their eyeshadow bases for a long time, and some of their eyeshadows, but yeah, so let's just get into it. So obviously I'm not going to show you the back because, you know, it's got my information on. This is what it looks like. It looks super cute. I'm keeping this box because, I mean, it may be a little banged up, but it's so adorable. And then it says p.louiese, all of us are a little fragile babe. I guess that means, yep. What does that say? Let's spread your wings and fly. So it's definitely a butterfly themed. So I'm just gonna, I really love this box. Here is the first look of what's in here. I'm not gonna look, you get to take a look at it. Is it amazing? I hope so. Okay. Okay. So this is the CEO box, choice box that I was talking about. I didn't realize it was going to be inside this box. So there is that. So this must be my mystery box here. So I'm going to leave that here. And then this stuff here must be the mystery box. Let me take a look at the pamphlet that came in here. Yeah, so this is this CEO choice box, makeup box volume 4. And this was 30 pounds. And then this is the mystery box. So I think they just put a bigger box and just stuck them together, I think. Maybe. Let's just go through this, okay? So they were both $30.94, not dollars. I think they're pounds. To be honest, if that I might have to buy another one of these. Okay. I mean, to be worth it, I'm not sure. We'll see. Let's just take the first thing out of here, which is this here. Okay, what is this? Badass Babes Crew. A clean slate. Shine Away 2022. So this is obviously, you know, it's like the middle of 2023. But what is this? This is a shimmer. Oh, it's a shimmer body wash. This is a body wash. It says the packaging is super adorable. It says time to shine away the past and start something new. And something new. 2002 is officially over you. Okay. I mean, 2002 was officially over a little while ago, but I don't hate that idea. 2002 was an interesting year for me. Oakley dokley. So this is 4.2 ounces. I don't know what this smells like. Ooh. Okay, let's just take this off here. It is light pink. There's shimmers in it. I don't know if it's gonna pick up what that looks like. It smells clean. It's not like crazy scented. So, which is nice. I think it's supposed to smell clean. I think it's called Clean Slate. So, not bad for the first item in my box. I don't know if this is a full size or not, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. Next up, I see this here, and this is Bad Bitch Energy Juice. Citrus got real. Is that what that, yeah, that, oh no, so that's what it says on the back. So This side says energy juice once upon a lime. Citrus got real. This is so cute. Like, how cute is this? It's a little like juice box. Made from 20% limes and 80% boy tears. I mean, I don't hate that. That is pretty nifty. Okay, how do I open this? This is what it looked like when I pulled it out of the packaging. Okay, so let's just start with this one here. And this is Stay Shining Super Hydration Formula. Citrus got real. I don't know what it is. I don't even want to take, like, the packaging's so cute. Like, p.louiese didn't come to... speaking of cute packaging, what the heck is this? Okay, this is gonna be a lipstick or something, right? Oh, it's so limey. It smells like a mojito without the mint. Oh, that was lovely. I just put it right on my nose. It is so... This must be like a lip oil. There's just a babe with a dream and glossy lips. Ah, so this must be a lip gloss. Oh, it's a lip oil. Oh my goodness. This is literally one of the cutest little packaging things I've ever seen. I don't even mind that the lip oil's green. Hopefully it's not like crazy green when you put it on. But, I mean, to be fair, it's probably fine. So that is what came in that package. And then this came too. This is called, okay. So there's so many words on the packaging. It says, so it's obviously something for your lips. For attractive lips, speak words of kindness. Protect your pout. Once upon a lime. Protects and hydrates dry and damaged lips with each application. This is a lip conditioner. It's been special formulated to hydrate, dry, and damage lips with each application, with adding moisture surging benefits to help improve lip firmity. That's the right word, yeah. For the pout of dreams, or prepared for protection, hydration, glowing lips, babe, because you deserve it. It does not disappoint in how adorbs it is. This kind of reminds me of like a better upscale version of those Victoria's Secret lip balms that I used to get when I was... Oh, that smells really good. I just put that up my nose too, didn't I? Oh, that is so good. I have stuff on my lips, but I just want to put it on. That might be too much. Oh, yeah, that's nice. I don't need that much, that's for sure. It smells good enough to eat. I like this. This I'm excited about. Okay, not bad for my first, I guess, 2 items in this box. I'm probably just gonna keep the packaging because it's super cute. So this is Fall in Line. It's a double-ended liner. Plum pudding. It's purple on this side. Oh, I didn't even notice. Don't be afraid to fly, babe. We're all just winging it. Their packaging is literally so inspirational and fun. Okay. This is what it looks like. Sweet to eat and plum pudding. Let's take a look at this. Oh my goodness. That's nice. Let's see how pink this one is. That is what they look like. The purple one's not super purpley, but it's really nice, to be honest. That is really cool. I like this. I am definitely impressed with p.louiese. Okay, so I think there's only one more item in here and it's huge. This, I don't know what this is. This is a crazy box. I love this. It says p.louiese. Just because you can't see what's on the inside doesn't mean it isn't beautiful. Unlock your creativity. This is a palette. I don't know if it's an eyeshadow palette, but let's open it up. I'm keeping this box. I like this little like thingy here. Oh, this is huge. Okay. So this is what it looks like. This is insane. I don't even want to use this because I'm afraid it's gonna get dirty. Oh, okay. If you don't know this about me, I love to read. The fact this is a pink little book that looks like it's an old school diary is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the key even fits in the lock. Like, the detailing of this palette is insane. Okay, let's open this up. So this is like a leather strap. Oh my gosh, doesn't it not open? Wait, does it not, can I not open it? How do I, oh, for the love of Pete. Here I am struggling like a, it's a legit lock. Okay. I'm probably just gonna put this back on here and leave it. There's no way I'm just gonna leave this. Okay, here is, let's see what this looks like. Okay. Oh, it opens. Oh, okay, that's interesting. It opens up double-ended. This is 2 different eyeshadow palettes. Okay. Yeah. This is insane. So there we have this one here. This is also lighting up. What the hey? What is this? Oh, okay, so when it opens, it changes color. So the minute you open it, oh, this is so, p.louiese, your packaging comes through. Okay, so this is definitely some very bright colors. To be honest, I would use everything except for probably this one. I'm not gonna lie. Out of all of those eyeshadows, that's probably the only one I wouldn't use. Okay, now I'm gonna put this back in. And those are all mattes. So there's nothing else other than mattes in that one. And then you go like this. Okay, these are all mattes. I don't hate that. Okay, the only issue I'm gonna have is I don't wear a lot of greens or blues. I wonder if there's a way to take this out so I can give this to somebody else. Because I won't use any of these. That's really sad. I love, love, love this, but those are definitely not going to be used. But they're so, so pretty. So I'm just going to leave the palette like this, I think, so I can open it and try it out. All right, so that was everything in my mystery box. That was 2 lip products, a double-ended eyeliner, the body wash, and this insane palette.